how to allow or disallow comment summaries on your post and Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, below, you can see here the audience and visibility section. So you can see here the post. Okay, you can tap the post. Here in post, you can see the allow comment summaries on your post. And the comment summaries on your post is disallow. So if you want to allow this, okay, you'll have to do is switch on switch button on the right side. So if disallowed, comment summaries are generated using Meta AI and may not be representative of all comments. Not all posts will have comment summaries, and certain posts like ads may still show them. So okay, that's it. We have successfully allowed. So if you want to disallow again, okay, you'll have to do switch off the switch button on the right side. But I allowed these comment summaries on your post in my Facebook. And that's it. Okay, so if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.